In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Deepseek AI on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. This powerful and free AI chatbot works just like ChatGPT but is designed to be faster, more efficient, and cost-effective. Whether you need help with coding, math, writing, or general AI-powered assistance, Deepseek is a game changer in the AI space. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and make sure you are connected to a fast and stable internet connection. Next, tap on the magnifying glass at the bottom right corner to open the search bar. Type Deepseek or Deepseek AI and hit enter on your keyboard. You will see a couple of search results. Look for the app with a white and purple logo. Now, tap on Get to start downloading the app. If prompted, enter your Apple account password or use Face ID to confirm. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap on it to launch Deepseek AI. From here, you can start creating your account and exploring the app's features. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Deepseek AI on your iPhone. Make sure you subscribe to Fixmaster for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.